Security guards shot in $23 million Beryllium heist in Portmore, St. Catherine. The attack was carried out almost the same location where $10 million was stolen and a security guard lost his life back in February. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Beryllium Limited has confirmed that one of its vehicles and the assigned crew members came under heavy gunfire at an attack in Scotiabank Portmore, St. Catherine on Sunday. In a statement on Sunday evening, the company said that the driver of the vehicle and 3 crew members were all shot and injured during the attack. The company advised that it is cooperating with the police in an ongoing investigation about the matter. Our sincere thoughts and prayers are with the crew and their families at this time, the Beryllium said in a statement. For the safety of our client and our team, Beryllium is currently assessing its operation island-wide, which will result in delays in delivery of services, it advised. While the company made no mention of it in the statement, an informed source indicated that over $23 million in cash was taken by the attackers on Sunday. On February 27, gunmen did a similar attack of a Beryllium team vehicle as they were about to deliver money at an automated teller machine at almost the same location of the incident on Sunday. On that occasion, at least 2 members of 3-member crew were shot and injured, and one fatally succumbed to his injuries, and over $10 million in cash taken by the attackers who escaped from the scene. After Sunday's attack, the police recovered 2 motor cars that were reportedly used by the gunmen who were involved in the dramatic shooting incident. The cars were found abandoned in Lake Spen area of the parish. Several videos of the incident have been circulating on social media with intense shooting at the scene between members of the security team and the gunmen. In one of the videos, a member of the security team could be seen injured and laying on the ground. Beryllium Limited is Jamaica's leading company in the area of high-risk finance transfer process, including cash in transit and support services and technology.
Come on, first one.
Get out! Get up and go to the league, huh? Get shot. Oh my God. Drive. Hey, I'm my son work me, you know. I'm going to take up all the book. Them go with it? Jamaica turn money is class.
Ayah saya pun dah sim, kena sim kau rumah mana nak kau sim.
Jadi, dia tak
Jamaica turn money is started.
The police who were quick on the scene managed to locate two vehicles that the police believe were used in the attack after they were left abandoned in an area of the parish. The police have so far commenced a high-level probe into the case. According to the Senior Superintendent of Police, Ms. Stephanie Lindsay, head of the Corporate Communications Unit within the Jamaica Constabulary Force, states that the security guards were in the process of servicing the automated teller machine ATM at a bank when gunmen attacked with high-powered weapons.
So we're able to confirm that about 12:40 today, there was a shooting incident at the Brayton Park Scotia Bank in Portmore. That's where we are now. Based on what we know so far, that security from the Beryllium company, they were in the process of servicing the ATM machine when they were attacked by gunmen with high-powered weapons and handguns. A number of shots were fired. At the end of the shooting, 3 of the security officers were shot and injured. We just made checks with the police officers who are currently with the team at the hospital, and they are saying that whilst it's serious but not necessarily life-threatening based on the information from the medical team that's currently treating them. Following the incident, the response of the police officers were very quick because at the scene, the information was that there were 2 cars that were involved in the incident with the gunmen, so they were able to intercept the vehicles. They now have 2 vehicles in custody, suspected to be the vehicles that were involved in the shooting earlier, and they are carrying on that investigation. They were found somewhere in the Lakesbank area. There are also some support along with the police and the military in that area carrying out some underground operations as we speak. So in the meantime, the commanding officer, which is here with his team, there are persons dispatched out trying to get more information, and they are following some strong leads as well. So as the investigation progresses, then we should be able to provide more information.
Are you in a position to tell us how many gunmen were involved?
We don't know the exact number of gunmen that were involved, but we know based on the number of spent shell that we saw at the scene and the shots that were fired, we know there were a number of persons involved.
This is mere a stone's throw away from a similar incident 3 weeks ago. Are the police investigating any possible connection with this concern?
And the same company as well, Beryllium.
Yes, so at the moment, it's a wide investigation. The investigators are not ruling out anything. The fact that we have 2 similar incidents, keen investigators would want to examine that as well. Earlier, I spoke with the commanding officer and his team, and they have made some advanced progress in the first incident. So they will just continue with the investigation, and now they will have to look carefully at this. So I know that the team of investigators that are working on this case will be looking at everything.
The senior superintendent told reporters that with the aid of the military, the police are carrying out underground operations in the area to try to get more information to aid in their investigation. This is the second such incident to occur in Portmore in less than a month, with the first taking place thus shown so away at a Jamaica National ATM at Portmore Pines Plaza. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to comment this. Thanks for watching.